Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes again, and today we're doing Fundations Unit 10, Week 1, Day 5. And today we're going to be working on words that have the sound of A spelled either A-Y, A-I, or A consonant E. We're going to review our trick words and we're going to practice writing different ways to make a sound. So let's begin with our sounds. I hope you have your iPads ready, and I'll be doing mine on my whiteboard because it won't show up on my iPad. But here we go. Let's begin with the sound that you hear in this diagram. K. There are 3 ways to make the sound of K. Now I accidentally showed you one of those ways, and let's go ahead and write it. CK, K. But that's not the only way. What's another way? That's right. We can do C, K as in cat. And we can also do K, K as in kite. Now you notice I put a comma between each of those ways. All right, next line. We'll stay on this slide. The next thing I want us to do is different ways to make the long sound of I. The long sound of I. Echo me. I. All right. Now here's the first way. I, hi, I. So let's just put the letter I with a macron above it. And the second way would be I, pine, I. So we put I, consonant E, the macron above the I. And the third way would be why cry I. Put your comma there. And why cry I. And you have to put the little I up above it. Why cry I. So it looks like that. All right, now let's do ways to do the long sound of A. Echo me. A. Okay, well, we have A, acorn A. So you write your A with a macron above it and put the comma. The next one, A, safe A. So it's A, consonant E with a macron above the A. Put your comma between it. AY, play A. So you put your AY. And I like to go ahead and draw my circle around it because it's a double vowel. And then finally, I bait A. And since that is also a double vowel, let's go ahead and circle that one. So we have the sound of K, I, and A. Show your teacher your board or your screen. And next slide. Now let's go through and make the sounds of The sounds of Well, there are 3 ways to make the sounds of The first one, I are bird The second one, you are burn Put your comma. And the third one, er, her Put your comma between those 2. So the sounds of I are, you are, er. 3 different ways to make the same sound. All right, good job. New screen. Now let's go through our trick words. Echo me. Thought, school, America, large, each, between, one, answer, city, every, eight, night, why, by, my, try, great, brother, world, mother, away, country. All right, let's do a sentence. Here's the sentence. Echo me. Many people want to visit this great country. Many people want to visit this great country. Okay. Many is a trick word. M-A-N-Y. Sounds like this should be an E, but it's an A. Many people. It's been a while since you've had this one. People. It's also a trick word. P-E-O-P-L-E. Many people want, another trick word, W-A-N-T. It looks like want, but it's want. Many people want to, T-O, visit. The is it. The Z sound is spelled with S. Viz, it, 2 syllables. Visit. Many people want to visit this, another trick word, is great. Ooh, we just read this one. Great. Grr. And then E-A-T, great. Country. Country is another trick word we studied yesterday. Country. C-O-U-N, country. T-R-Y. Period. Many people want to visit this great country. You may pause the video if you need more time. All right, now let's do some words. Here's the first word. Echo me. Rain. I can see the rain falling from the sky. Rain. Ain. Rain. A. Now, it's either going to be A-Y, A-I, or a consonant E. Now, it can't be A-Y because it has a consonant sound at the end. Rain. So we have to decide which way are we going to spell it. Which way is correct? Would it be A-N-E, rain, or R-A-I-N? Which one is the correct way? Which one do you recognize as being the correct word? That's right. It's this one. So let's scoop it. Scoop it. Circle the AI, and it is a double vowel. Now that you know the word rain, listen to this next word. Echo me. Train. Change the word rain into train. What do you have to do? All you have to do is add a T. Train. And the scooping, except for bringing this over to the TR, the rest of it stays the same. Rain, train. If you know how to spell rain, you can spell train. Now, what's really interesting about that, boys and girls, is if you know how to spell train, you can use what you know about AIN to spell the next word. New slide. Okay, ready? Spell the word paint. Elbows up. Paint. 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 Well, it has a consonant sound at the end, so it can't be AY. It either has to be AI or AE. Paint. Paint. Now it has two consonants at the end, so it can't be a consonant E. It has to be AI because of two consonants at the end. So put your AI, P-A-I-N-T. I'm going to paint my house. Paint. We scoop it, paint, circle the AI, paint, and it is a double vowel syllable. Now I want to add a suffix to this and make the word painted. I painted my room. Painted. What's the suffix? That's right, ed. Painted. But it makes the sound of id. Id. So you write id up at the top. Painted. Show your teacher your work. New slide. Okay, you still need the AI, AY, AE, A consonant E up at the top. Here's the next word, echo me. Faint. I saw the lady faint when she got quite a surprise. Faint. That means like you pass out. Faint. Okay, let's tap it out. Elbows up, faint. 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 Okay, does it end with a consonant? Yes, it does. So we can't use AY. A faint. Well, it has two consonants, so that means it can't be a consonant E. So it has to be AI. Faint. So let's circle the double vowel. I already have the two consonants underlined. And scoop it. And it is a double vowel. Now, we're going to add the suffix to it. Listen to it carefully. Fainting. Fainting. What's the suffix? Ing. So we will add I-N-G. Fainting. And we circle it, but you do not have to scoop it. Fainting. Okay, we have one last word. New screen. And I like this word. Echo me. Explain. I like it when children explain their math problems. Explain. Now it's two syllables. First syllable, X. Second syllable, explain. Here we go. X, X, EX. And I'm going to put a dot there because that's my syllable. Plain. S, or it's not SP, it's just P, L, A, I, N. Now it could have been A-N-E, but it's not. And I know it sounds like there's an S right here, but that's because the letter X makes the KS sound. X. Plain. All right, scoop it. Explain. X. Oh, short vowel. And it is closed. Plain. Well, PL is a blend. AI is a double vowel. So it is a double vowel syllable. Explain. Well, great job today, boys and girls, and I will see you next time.